A Congress leader and Wayanad MP Rahul Gandhi begins his Padyatra in Mumbai from Mani Bhavan to August Kranti Maidan. This comes a day after the Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra has ended. The yatra would be known as Nyay Sankalp Padyatra, which he is undertaking hours after the 66-day-long 700 long Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra culminating. This is expected to be a show of strength for the India bloc as top opposition leaders are also participating. Listening to what Party General Secretary Priyanka Gandhi Vadra had to say.
आज यहाँ आकर हम दोनों बहुत खुश हैं। आज राहुल जी की 6,700 किलोमीटर की भारत जोड़ो न्याय यात्रा खत्म हो रही है। इससे पहले 4,000 किलोमीटर की इन्होंने पैदल यात्रा की। ये यात्रा उन्होंने इसलिए की ताकि इस देश की आप असलियत समझें। आज हमारे देश की जो असलियत है उसको समझना बहुत जरूरी है। तो ये पूरी यात्रा जो है ये आपको जागरूक बनाने की यात्रा थी। आज हमारे देश में जनता की जागरूकता पर सबसे बड़ा आक्रमण हो रहा है।
I have my colleague Jui joining us with more details. Jui, now take us through this particular yatra that the Congress, especially Rahul Gandhi, is taking forward in Mumbai. There are some significant places that this yatra will cover as well.
Right now I'm standing at August Kranti Maidan where Rahul Gandhi and his sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra is present. You can see right behind me where Rahul Gandhi and his Congress fellow mates, Congress leaders are present. The Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra led by Congress leader Rahul Gandhi had come to an end yesterday and he paid a tribute to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar's memorial at Chaitya Bhumi Dadar. Today he had a rally from Mani Bhavan to August Kranti Maidan, and after this he will be having a meeting at Tejpal Hall where Congress committee was formed. So even this location, Tejpal Hall, has a special importance. It has a special significance in if we consider the Congress party. And then after this meeting at evening 5:30, the India Alliance, which is the opposition's alliance, will have a rally, will have a sabha at Dadar Shivaji Park ground. And in this rally, in this sabha, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, his sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, and also Congress, his mother Sonia Gandhi will be present. On the other hand, all the important leaders of the India Alliance, that is Uddhav Thackeray, Sharad Pawar, M.K. Stalin, Akhilesh Yadav, Arvind Kejriwal, and also Prakash Ambedkar will be present. As we all know that Election Commission has declared the Lok Sabha elections dates yesterday, and today the India Alliance will have a rally, a sabha, which is the first sabha of India Alliance after they have been formed, and today they will tell what manifesto or what India Alliance, their agenda is, and they will be speaking against BJP, as this India Alliance is against BJP. So after August Kranti Maidan's program, Rahul Gandhi will be heading forward to Tejpal Hall.
Right. Thank you for bringing us those details.